Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the milk frother, the steam wand, on a Delonghi Magnifica Start. So I've already poured the milk into here. Normally you would be putting it into a milk jug. I'm doing it in here just to show you it actually froth up, but you would probably be using a milk jug. This might be ideal if you're making yourself a cappuccino. So we're going to turn the machine on. This machine is already warm. It's been on quite a lot today. And all I'm going to do is, once your machine is warmed up, I'm going to hit the steam button here. And right now it's warming up, it's getting the steam ready. It will do a little beep, and then you will see that these lights will stop flashing here and it will go purely to here. There we go, little beep there, and now we're ready to go. So I'm going to submerge this in here. You can move this around to make it easy for yourself. You've only got so long to do this, otherwise it will turn itself off. And now I'm going to move this from 0 to on here. And steam will start coming out. So you need to keep it submerged, otherwise it's going to start steaming out at you like so. So keep it just under the milk here. And you can see now already that it's starting to froth. Now, once you're happy with how much it has frothed up, you're simply going to move this dial here, back up vertical to 0, and that is it. Your milk has been steamed. If you decide that you want to go in and do it again, you have to hit the steam button again. Otherwise, what will happen is, if you just turn this without hitting the steam button, it will let out water. So you can see there, water's coming out rather than steam. So if you do decide that you want to froth it more, you have to hit the steam button again, but this time it's beeped straight away because it's already up to temperature. So again, put it in here and just do that, and it will start steaming again straight away. And you do that when you're finished. Now, when you're finished with it, give it a wipe. What I normally do is I actually take this apart here, and I take this apart and I give them both a wash in the sink. But if you don't want to do that each time, then you can just give it a wipe. And also, if you want it to, you can give it a steam with nothing in it, just to let out a little bit of steam if you're worried about bacteria. So again, it's beeped at me, it's already up to temperature. So I can do this, make sure you don't scald yourself. And you can let some steam out just to clean it. And then you can turn it off. Now, if you hit the steam and then you realise you don't want it, you've hit it by mistake, so think now that you don't want it, you want to make another cup of coffee, then just hit it again, and you can see you're back to normal again after a few seconds. There we go, back to normal. So that's it, that's how to use the milk frother, the steam wand, on your Delonghi Magnifica Start. Thanks for watching.